Ayun din, pangarap din kasi namin. Kasama yung family. Limited lang yung guests namin. Most of them are family talaga, relatives and close friends. Kaya piling-pili lang din yung makikipag-celebrate sa amin ngayon. Pero ayun, I think it's worth it kasi ang tagal din namin hinintay yung time na yun.
Actually, high school pa lang, magkaibigan pa lang kami. But after graduating high school, di nawala yung communication namin at naging mag-best friend kami. Nag-aaral siya sa Cabuyao, tapos napapunta sa Denmark. Pero yung communication namin nandun pa rin. Tapos after nun, umuwi siya dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos nakita ulit niya ako, nailab ulit siya. Yeah. Ba't parang, alam niya yan, di ba, pogi eh. Ilang tabletas ba yun? 'Di ba? Alam mo na. Hindi ka makakatayo kinabukasan talaga. I love you. See you later.
Actually, I think alam niya na halos lahat ng gusto kong sabihin. Pero thankful ako kasi yung napangasawa ko talaga is best friend ko. So kilala niya ako ever since and alam niya kung ano yung mga imperfections ko, kaya niyang i-handle yon at mas kalmado siya sa akin. So thankful ako doon. So ayun, I think yun lang naman gusto kong sabihin and see you more in more years to come sa ating dalawa. By now, we already know those imperfections na meron ng bawat isa. You know that I don't like it when you're spending so much time in your games. I'll ask Bjorn to play with Daddy so he'll interrupt your game. And I know that probably you don't like that I'm being loud sometimes.
I pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to you. You are my person, my love, and my life, today and always.
There will be more challenges and our marriage will be tested. But no matter what challenge that will be, I will always choose you. Love you.